Okay, and this is going to be a very quick part 3 to this Robotron video because I didn't want to not have an LED in it. So what I did was I scammed one out of a Robotron ROM board that I have here, and I'm going to replace that one. But I scammed this one. I pulled it out. Remember, this is the one that came out of the. That's the one that came out of it. That is no good. This one came out of another board that I have here at the shop. And I went ahead and pulled it, and I'm just going to use this instead. But what I'm going to do is go through and show all of these segments work according to, this is the actual Williams schematic for the 7-segment display. And I'm going to go ahead and just show all of them light up, and then we'll go ahead and put this guy in the board and watch it work. So let's set up and do that. Okay, we are on right now. This is common anode, so you got 5 volts going to the common anode pins. Okay, the first one we're going to do is A, which is this guy right on top. And A is pin 1. So we're going to ground to pin 1. Okay, and there's A. Next we'll do B, which is pin 13. And B is this guy. It goes around, it goes clockwise. A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G is the middle segment. So B is this guy right here on the side, and that is pin 13. So we'll go ground to 13, and there's B. Okay. Now C is pin 10. So 8, 9, 10, there's C. Next one is D, which is going to be this bottom segment. And that is pin 8. And there is D, bottom segment. And the next one is pin 7. That's going to be this guy on the side here. That is E. That's pin 7. There it is. Right? Okay. And then we got F, which is this guy right here on the side, and that's pin 2. So we'll go ground to pin 2. There's F. And then the one in the middle is G, which is pin 11. So we'll go, what, 8, 9, 10, 11, and to ground. And there it is. So this one has all segments working. So we'll go ahead and put this in the board set and then test it out. Okay, we are all hooked up. I'm going to turn this light off. And we'll go ahead and fire it up. And there you go. And let's reset it. We don't have a battery in it. And there it is. Showing 0. Boot to 0. So that is a little addendum. I wanted to take care of that before I called this one good and sent it back. It's going all the way to Ireland, so let's have it complete. And it is now. It's got a good LED in it. And looks perfect. And this thing ran for actually 8 hours today. So it did an 8-hour successful burn test. Excellent. All right. See you guys on the next repair. Thanks for watching. Consider supporting me on Patreon. It goes a long way, and I surely would appreciate it. So, yeah. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.